Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you what happens when this piece of zinc is subjected to a beaker filled with Aqua Regia acid. Check this out. For this experiment, I'm using 16 molar nitric acid, 12 molar hydrochloric acid, 2 beakers, and a strip of zinc. To synthesize Aqua Regia, add 3 parts hydrochloric acid and 1 part nitric acid. Add the nitric acid to the hydrochloric acid and let it stand for about 2 minutes. The next step is to cut a small piece of zinc from your strip. Zinc is a soft metal and you can cut it with a pair of scissors. Since this reaction does release nitrogen dioxide, I would put your beaker in your fume hood before adding your zinc. With the fume hood on, you're ready to add a small piece of zinc to your solution of Aqua Regia. And after just 1 minute, the zinc is completely dissolved. So why do they call this mixture of acids Aqua Regia? Well, in Latin, that word means royal water because early alchemists found that it could dissolve gold just like it dissolves zinc. Let's take a look at the chemical equation for this reaction. Here's the chemical equation for this redox reaction. We start out with the reactants zinc, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. We have 2 moles of zinc, that's the 2Zn, plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, that's the 2HCl, plus 2 moles of nitric acid, that's the 2HNO3. That creates the products zinc chloride, zinc nitrate, and hydrogen gas. We have zinc chloride, that's the ZnCl2, and zinc nitrate, that's the ZnNO3 and we have 2 moles of the diatomic molecule of hydrogen, that's the 2H2. This is a reduction oxidation reaction because the zinc is being rapidly oxidized as it loses electrons. It goes from an oxidation state of 0 to an oxidation state of +2, while the nitrogen ion is being reduced as it gains electrons. It goes from an oxidation state of +5 to an oxidation state of -3 in this exciting reduction oxidation reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.